I could make the case that this entire academic journey is about equipping you with the concepts and ideas that you'll need in order to make precise statements with and about probability distributions. The probability distribution that you are the most familiar with by far, everybody's heard of it, is the normal distribution or the bell curve. But there are lots of probability distributions out there. For instance, there's the uniform distribution, there's the exponential distribution, the geometric distribution, the hypergeometric distribution, the Poisson distribution. I could go on and on. You probably don't want me to. We haven't defined probability distribution yet, and we're almost there. We need 2 more concepts. All probability distributions are built out of events whose unions are both collectively exhaustive and mutually exclusive. That's really what this whole lesson is going to be about, is introducing you to what is collective exhaustion? What is mutual exclusivity? But before we do that, we have to acquaint you with the twin ideas of unions and intersects. Let's get going.